Welcome to ECTV Tries, where we have no idea what we're doing, and that's exactly the point. I'm Megan.
And I'm Connor. The one thing... And I'm Connor. The one thing we sometimes do on Tries is we don't know the task at hand until the cameras start rolling.
However, we have been given a hint. This week's hint is, how good of a guesser are you? So that's pretty open-ended. I feel like guessing could be a lot of things like numbers, places, people, things.
I think in the past we've done a lot of like geography guessing during our meetings and the ECTV meetings. So I think maybe something like GeoGuessr could be a possibility.
I would be really good at that.
Yeah, I would not.
Your task, you'll be playing 3 rounds of Guess Who. Whoever loses overall gets punished.
All right, another punishment.
All right, well, we'll see how that goes, and we'll be right back after we set up our task. See you later.
Hi, we're back.
Let's begin.
All right, do you want to pick first?
Sure.
Go for it.
I'm gonna lean over the table a little bit. All right. I don't know if you'll be able to see this.
Person.
All right. Do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll ask the first question.
All right.
Is your person Brock Malone?
No.
Not Brock Malone.
Good guess.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
I just had a feeling.
Is your person a male?
He is a male.
Okay.
Is your person... I'll ask the same question and be boring. Is your person a male?
Yes.
All right, your go.
Is your person a junior in college?
No.
Okay.
Is your person on Slaw?
Ooh, that's a good one. No.
Okay.
Is your person a professor?
No. Let's see here. Would you... is your person a student?
Correct, yes. All right, I'm just down to...
Down to a good bunch here.
7.
We got 4 left here.
Uh-oh.
Unless I put someone down by accident, but I think we're down to 4.
Was your person in Who Wants to Be a Jillionaire?
He was not.
Okay. I think that only eliminates 2 of them, but...
Is your person a senior?
My person is a senior.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, that wasn't a good question.
Did that only get
Darn.
weird?
I only got 1 down. I think. Could be wrong.
Is your person a person?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, because Truman's one of them, so I just felt like I had to ask just to make sure.
Well, someone would say Truman is a person.
That's true.
Yeah. Is your person, were they in the video production with Andy Williams?
Yes.
Okay.
Is your person a senior?
Yes.
Okay.
Down to 2 here.
I'm down to 3.
Is your person, we're gonna go for a guess here.
Uh-oh.
Do you have Sawyer?
I do not have Sawyer.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go for a guess. Is your person Connor Burke yourself?
It's not Connor Burke.
It's not, okay.
No. So your person, I'm pretty sure, is Ryan.
And my person is Ryan.
Let's go.
You can pick first this time. I think I
alrighty.
did last time. Okay, good.
Okay.
I want that one.
Have my individual here.
So do I. Oh. All right.
I asked the first question last time.
All right.
You got it.
Thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry. All right. Is your person a male?
They are not. Is your person Andy Williams?
No, it's not.
Okay, not Andy Williams. Just had to be sure.
Does your person have a radio show?
They do not. That's a good question. Is your person a part of a board, whether that be ECTV, WWEC, or Italian?
No.
No? Okay.
That was awkward. Is your person smiling in the photo?
We're gonna go with no. Is your person a professor?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I'm counting Truman as a professor.
Huh?
Truman, is he a professor?
I would say probably not.
Probably not? Okay.
Probably not.
Okay.
Not at least not for now.
Not counting Truman yet.
All right, I'm just gonna guess. Is this person me?
No way, dude.
It is? Okay,
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
We're 1 for 1
Yeah.
now. Let me see.
There's my person. Alrighty, is your person...
I'm gonna be mad if you guess another person specifically.
You're gonna be mad?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta do it for the bit. I did it the first 2 times. Is your person Adam Dalle?
No.
No? Okay.
Good try though.
Thank God.
Oh. I feel like since you guessed Adam, that means you don't have Adam. So I feel like I can pretty confidently put that down. But I don't know.
Or I could be playing mind games.
I feel like you wouldn't do that though. But maybe you would. I wouldn't put it past you. Is your person on the WWEC board?
No.
Okay. That rolls out Rocky, Maddie, Logan, and Aaron, I believe. Unless there's another one I missed. No, I think that's it.
Well, we'll just do, is your person a male?
No.
Okay.
Is your person a male?
No.
Copy off me. Okay.
Does your person have a radio show?
Yes.
Okay. Oh shoot, wait. I don't know if that person has a radio show.
Does your person ever appear on any, or has your person appeared on any ECTV shows, I guess, this semester?
No.
No, okay.
Yeah, no. Does your person... Yeah, has your person ever had any part in ECTV?
Yes.
Okay. It's another one where it's like, okay, yeah, no.
I have 3 left, so I'm just gonna guess. Is your person Lindy Stoner?
No way,
There's
dude.
no way I guessed that. Are you serious?
Are you kidding me?
I'm amazing. Okay. Do you want to take a guess as to what
Did you have
that was?
Layla?
I do have Layla.
No.
How many did you have left?
3.
I'm amazing
Yeah.
at guessing. All right, we're back, and Ryan, the producer, is here to handle out the punishment.
All right, you have 2 options, Connor. Left
Okay.
or right.
Oh God, not this. All right, we'll go with right.
You're getting the left. You have to
That's
eat
so
this
mean.
gummy bear.
All right, I gotta eat the Little Nitro World's Hottest Gummy Bear. All
Uh-oh.
right, yep.
You can't make a face.
I can't make a face.
You can't make a reaction.
You
That's so nice.
Why not? Why not? I got it. Okay, this is. Okay. All right, we got it. There is a little gummy bear there. This product is extremely spicy and has the potential to cause skin and or mouth irritation. So that's fun.
You doing okay?
Yeah, we're doing fine. It's spicy, you know, but they're not lying.
I want to know what the other one was that you chose.
Yeah, the other one I chose.
The one he actually wanted.
The one he was actually going to have was
Oh.
Somehow this is better. We're fine. We're all good.
I'm having a great time personally.
Alright, Connor, you are closing it now. It's just you.
It's down. That about wraps it up for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed. I sure didn't. I'm Connor.
And I'm Megan. Thanks for watching ECTV Tries. See you next week.